Good morning, Kyla. How you doing, pretty girl? How's old Sparkle Farts doing over there? How's your butt, little girl? Kitty cat. Hi, Angel. I got a bunch of little tiny female goats. Angel and Kyla here and her daughter, Sparkle Farts. And one boy, two others. There's one. There's the other one. And that's Ma. She just had three. Two of them made it, or rehomed. And the grass is coming back. It's not a mudfest anymore. Hell yeah. What's up, Romeo? You waiting on me? More kitty cats. Sparkle Farts, how's your butt? It looks alright. Good.